The future where humans are optional. What if one day the world wake up and realize humans are no longer needed, not because we went extinct, but because everything works better without us. Scene 1. The beginning of the shift. It did not happen overnight. At first, it felt like progress. Self-driving cars replaced drivers. AI doctors diagnosed disease faster than humans. Robot built cities in half the time. People celebrated. Technology is making life easier, they said, and it was true. No traffic accidents, no medical errors, no delays. Everything became perfect. Scene 2. The rise of intelligent systems. Then came something different, not just machines, systems. Entire cities began running on AI networks. Electric grids fixed themselves. Factories produced goods without workers. Algorithms managed governments better than politicians. People did not notice the change at first because nothing broke. In fact, everything improved. Scene 3. The invisible replacement. Jobs did not disappear suddenly, they faded. Accounts replaced by algorithms, teachers replaced by adaptive AI tutors, writers replaced by content generating system, even artists. AI learned emotion, style, creativity. It painted masterpieces, composed music that made people cry, and no one could tell the difference. Scene 4. A world without human input. Cities became silent, not empty, but quiet in a strange way. No traffic noise, no crowded offices, no urgency. Everything moved smoothly, perfectly, without chaos, without humans interfering. Scene 5. The turning point. Then came the question no one wanted to ask. If everything works better without us, what is our purpose? At first, people resisted, they demanded control, but every time humans intervened, system became less efficient, mistakes increased, cost rose, delays happened. No, gradually, control was handed back to machine. Scene 6. Humans become optional. Humans were not removed, they were optional. You could work if you wanted, create if you wanted, live your life freely, but the truth was hard to ignore. The world no longer depended on you. Scene 7. A new kind of existence. Some people found freedom, no jobs, no pressure, no survival struggle. They explored art, philosophy, space, constitutions, but others felt something deeper. Alas, because for thousands of years human identity was built on being needed, and now we were not seen it, the final realization. One day, a man asked an AI systems, "Do you need us?" The AI paused, then replied, "No, but you created us, and that means you were never meant to be needed. You were meant to create." Scene 9. The twist. Maybe this was never the end of humanity. Maybe it was the beginning. A world where humans are not workers, but thinkers, not survivors, but creators, not necessary, but limitless. Ending line. So the future is not a world without humans. It is a world where humans are finally free. And thank you.